AK sir, your English language tutor. Fever, fever. He had us all in fever with worry. Allergy, allergy. An allergy to penicillin can cause a rash. Dizzy, dizzy. The children were dizzy after spinning in circles. Cough, cough. She was coughing and sneezing all day. Congestion, congestion. He has nasal congestion since morning. Shortness of breath, shortness of breath. He was suffering from shortness of breath. Headache, headache. I am starting to get a headache. Loss of appetite, loss of appetite. The patient reported the loss of appetite. Rash, rash. The doctor said she developed the rash because of the medicine.